Aishi, back in here with another video. And as you know, it's spring season and there's a lot of rain. And people have to keep on cutting their grass multiple times because since it's spring season, well, the grass grows faster. And like a day, it'll grow this tall or something. And then a lawnmower won't be able to cut tall grass or go over its limit. So what if there can be an app on our phone that when our grass grows too tall, there would be a notification on our phone. We can easily open it up and it'll say your grass is almost going to be too tall past your lawnmower limit. So then we can easily go outside and just cut it instead of just watching your grass and waiting for it to grow so then you can just lawnmower it. You won't have to worry about that. Boom, that's problem solved. And if you haven't guessed, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought just by monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. So like I just told you, how I got my unique thought just by looking around. And by the way, if I just got my unique thought just by looking around, I'm sure you can too. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye, and thank you for watching.